Hi, my name is Daiyon Cho from Handong Global University, and today I'm going to introduce a educational device. It's based on open source contents, and I'm talking about I use this educational device called the WAINBOX, World Academy in a Box, um, to teachers in suburbs of the Cambodia. So let me introduce the WAINBOX first, and then let's think about the meaning of that. And it looks like this, a small box, and inside this box, we use Raspberry Pi version 4 and some flash memories and the function of UPS. And so these are the basic hardware it has. And because it is using Wi-Fi, so it's working in an area there is no internet, or even we can connect this box to the solar panel. So even if there's no electricity, you can still using this equipment. So it is very easy to start this machine. Get Wi-Fi and use this IP address 10.10.10.10. Since it is a private internet, so it starts with number 10. So we can use this address in any browser. Like Google Chrome could be better than the others. And let me talk about the educational contents it has. So inside, this is the main page of the WAINBOX, and it says that there's several platforms. Library means it's kind of a electronic library, and Rachel, I will introduce that later, and Rachel is here. And there are some LMS. So the Moodle, that's a very widely used one in more than 200 countries. So maybe some of you might know about this. And Open Khan Academy is there, and Colibri is another kind of LMS you can use. And this Rosario says, this is the, they say that it's a student information system. It's more like, ERP. So very, sophisticated system that includes many functions in there. And it also has a private cloud for the ownCloud in there. So I will talk about those things. So it has a Rachel e-library and Colibri LMS and Moodle and Khan Academy is there, and ownCloud is the private cloud, and that's the student information system, including accounting and some other activities there. So first, let me introduce the Rachel. It's a stands for Remote Area Community Hotspot for Education and Learning, and it's developed by an NGO. I think it's called Possible World, and they collect all the copyright-free educational contents like textbooks and light version of Khan Academy. In great books of the world, it has a light all the great books, and Wikipedia for school, and GCF Learning Free.org. It has IT-related contents in there. So, and practical actions, it has some information and knowledge about any kind of practical actions like agriculture, fishing, crop processing, those kind of things. and Wiktionary and interactive word map and those kind of things included. There are many more, but I just selected some of them, important and putting here. And this is a private cloud called ownCloud. So here you register your students and teachers also, and and then among those students and teachers, you can upload your materials up here and then share that with students or teachers. So assignments the students do, and they upload it here, and then they can make it share with two teachers so that they very convenient to check their assignment. And Voodoo is very widely used. So this is the main entrance page, and you can manage students there and set the courses, and even you can give quiz there, and then so that managing the grades are also there. So these are you can do using Moodle. And here are some of the examples. These are course lists and course contents is here. And these topics are maybe topics you use for 1 week. Right? So that way you can use this Moodle. And the next one is the Rosario Student Information System. And it has a lot of functions, course management, and in addition to that, it has a food services, accounting is there, and library is there. So even online meeting you can do this, and messaging also. So it is very useful tool for school administration also. So these are some examples of meal, food management, food service management here. And for library book loan management kind of function is also there, right? So I'm using this box, WAINBOX, and to train teachers of the elementary school in Cambodia. So here, this is Cambodia, and there's a province called Takeo, and there's a here, this is Phnom Penh, and this is Takeo. It's about 1.5 hours from this city. And there's a school. It started kindergarten and elementary school many years ago. Now it's preparing to open middle school also. So here they are having K1 to K6 up to now, and they're teaching English, math, and other courses, and some other courses that they teach in Khmer, and some other courses in English, but the teachers are having some difficulties to teach English. So some function in Rachel, the WAINBOX, as education contents to teach phonics, right? So the basic pronunciation skills for basic words. So they may use that function to teach English, and they also can use Khan Academy to teach basic counting skills for these elementary school students. So we train them, couple of professors and some college students went there and donate this box, and with us many tablets, because it's working as as a Wi-Fi. So any device that has Wi-Fi function you can use. And at the same time, I think maximum more than 50 can access at the same time. So that will be enough. So this is the pictures of the training teachers. And here you see the main screen of the WAINBOX. And they are very, eager to learn about this. And then, so they are very pleased with that, especially for making their syllabus and then upload it to the WAINBOX and make students get into the syllabus, and then by clicking some of the URL there, stored there, it directly go to contents in the WAINBOX, like phonics and mathematics, this kind of thing. And so it's very easy to use for the students, and teachers also, it's very easy to manage. So here, some more. And so, as a summary, we'll think about those kind of things. So, WAINBOX is kind of revolutionary education system for global access to knowledge, and it has here it has some key features and objectives, and this can be used in a area that has some infrastructural limitations, no internet, very slow internet, and electricity problems. So in that situation, it still works. It's kind of a comprehensive and interactive learning platform. So in Khan Academy, most of the contents are in a video form, so you can use it. Students can use it with joy in resource-constrained environments. And key features: it's a portable and self-contained, materials, interactive learning modules, and multimedia contents are included here. Offline capabilities also it has. And then multilingual supports. If the internet is connected, we can use Google Translator, so we can translate it into any kind of language. So they can use their native language. Interactive and adaptive learning. It has some gamification elements and adaptive assessments too. So we can do some personalized approach to the education. And objectives and potential implications: bridging the educational divide. For this purpose, the WAINBOX is very useful. And empowering self-directed learning, and supporting teachers and community. So we are, sending this box to many countries, and then connect them together as a network, so that they can share their learning experiences and the user experiences too. So as a conclusion, so WAINBOX is a kind of promising solution to global educational challenges by providing a portable, self-contained, and interactive learning system. And it's a bridge into the educational device, empower self-directed learning, support teachers and communities, make it a transformative tool in achieving inclusive and equitable education. But there are some, things to study further, and some area needs secondary research, and we need to think about the implementation strategies too. And how to make them collaborate each other. Those kind of things we have to think about. So this is my presentation. Thank you very much. Any questions? We'll talk